Hello and welcome to this unboxing of Logitech MX Keys. This is supposed to be the best overall keyboard out right now. And really, the big things, which is unique for this, is that it's supposed to be comfortable to type on. We will test this very soon. It's supposed to have comfort and stability, which is of course very important. You need to have something you can rely on. And a good lighting, of course, which is also very useful. And also, it's supposed to be able to work with multiple computers at the same time, which is very useful for some people. And something which is sticking out for me is that it's as compatible with Microsoft as it is with Mac, which means that it's perfect for Mac users who don't want to spend too much money or just stick around with the Apple's own keyboard. So, okay then. So here it is, nicely placed, the Logitech MX Keys. And also here we have the USB stick, which you use to connect the computer wirelessly. Alright. Wires. USB-A to USB-C. And some paper manuals. Alright, so let's take a look at the keyboard, which has a nice paper around it. Alright, so here we have it. It looks really good. And it's not too heavy. It's kind of what you would expect from a keyboard, which is wireless. Okay, so let's see the typing experience. So, with the first experience, I can feel that it feels very good, actually. And it's not mechanical, you can feel that, but it has a nice click to it, which is actually kind of nice. And yeah, it's not too loud, so you can have this in an office space. And yeah, I mean, it feels good. Also, it doesn't feel very metallic. On the front, it's sort of metal, and on the back side, it's like plastic. And if you can see here, I can just see that there are 3 options here. I think it is 3 computers which you can switch between. So very neat and very nice. Okay, so my first impressions of the MX Key, Logitech MX Keys, was very good, actually. When you are typing, it feels really soft, it feels nice, it's almost a little bit mechanical, but it has a really nice touch, and I really love that. And for me, when you're typing a lot, it's important to have a nice keyboard, so every touch you make will feel good in your fingers, and it feels good. Writing the document, writing the email, writing whatever you're writing is important. And also another aspect is that it looks pretty good. It has this grey look, and it just basically fits into every home. It has a low-key look and just good. And especially with the lighting, it just pops out. You can turn it off, you can turn it on. It looks very good. And another nice thing is the compatibility with Mac and Windows. It works as good with Mac as it does with Windows, and that is important for a lot of people, especially Mac users. Because Mac users normally have to buy and depend on Apple's own keyboard, which is expensive and not really that good. It looks good, but I feel like the typing experience could be better in the Mac keyboard, and this Logitech keyboard really has it. And the best part about it is, of course, it's wireless, which means less cables, more minimalistic, and just it fits better into every home. And you charge it with a USB-C cable. Overall, it just definitely seems like the best overall keyboard 2022, and I definitely recommend buying it. See you.